Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Gemini. Something went wrong, please try again problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Gemini application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Gemini app. Update your Gemini application latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Go to Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your Gemini application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Google Gemini. Something went wrong, please try again later problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.